Hello students, so in this video we are going to discuss about the vacancies with regards to NRI sponsored and foreign category students in national universities, right? Now recently Damodaram Sanjeevan National University, the DSNLU Visakhapatnam, the NLU Visakhapatnam has released a notification calling in interest of the students who want to apply for NRI sponsored or NRI or foreign category, right? If you look at the vacancies here, there are 12 vacancies for undergraduation. Right now, let's discuss about some of the important dates and then I will tell you as to how you can avail this benefit and who can avail this benefit. First, the last date in order to apply for this particular vacancies or particular seats of NRI sponsored and NRI category is 26th of June 2024, right? So, the last date to apply is 26th of June 2024. Apart from that, what do we have here is who can apply in this particular category? Only those students who appeared in CLAT 2024 and who have NRI sponsored rank. Remember this, when you filled your application back in November, right? And after that you appeared in the exam. If you have availed or if you have opted for NRI sponsored, only then your CLAT 2024 scorecard will have a separate NRI sponsored rank. Now this NRI sponsored rank will be used to draw the merit list based on which your admission will be confirmed, right? So what is required is you should have filled or you should have opted for NRI sponsored, right? Moreover, you should be applying this particular you should be applying for these seats particularly before 26th of June 2024. The second question is how this particular application is supposed to be filled, right? Now if you look here, this is the particular email address to which you have to send particular documents in order to enroll yourself. Now what are the set of documents? Let's understand this, right? If we come here, it says that you have to fill the application available on the website. Now if you go to the website, there is this application. Let me show you that application, right? Now this is the application that you have to fill. You have to fill this application, take out the printout, fill the application, scan it, and you have to send the scanned document to the email address, this email address that I'm talking about, right? And apart from that, you have to also send your CLAT NRI merit list ka scorecard, right? So the rank which is given in that particular scorecard, that also you have to send. Subsequently, you also have to submit the following documents, right? Let me show you what are those documents. Now, these are the documents that are also supposed to be submitted later when the online counseling will happen. Now, when will the online counseling happen? After 26th of June. Based on the NRI sponsored rank, a merit list will be drawn, right? Those who get selected, they will be called for online counseling, wherein you have to submit all these documents, right? Now, if you fall under foreign category, you have to submit all these documents. If you fall under NRI category, these documents. If you're getting an NRI sponsorship from any of your aide who is an NRI, then in that case, these documents are required to be submitted. Right? Now what you have to do right now is you have to do two things. First, you have to fill this application. Along with this application, you have to, if you come down here, right, in this application, I will share the application link. You will see this particular bank details. You also have to pay 5,000 rupees as non-refundable amount admission fee, right, which will not be refunded. So this application along with the payment receipt of 5,000 rupees that you will draw in favor of this particular account, right? This account number and the account name is this, right? Both these documents have to be sent to the email address before 26 June, after which the NLU Visakhapatnam will draw its merit list based on which you will be called for online counseling, right? If you have any further queries with regard to this, you can use the comment box or reach out to us at Abhyaas support. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.